Hello everyone, welcome to Python Tinker episode 3. This should be the final one. So in the last episode we worked on the scale. So if we right click or control F5, you get a little scale. Almost like a scroll bar, but we're actually going to work on the scroll bar today. This here. Now, for scroll bar, it's just like the thing you see on the side of a computer or the side of a window. So root, capital T, parentheses, copy, and then I'm going to say we're going to create an object called scroll bar, and we're going to set it equal to capital scroll bar, parentheses, with the master, in this case root. Then we're going to say scroll object scroll bar dot pack, parentheses, side equal to capital right, all caps, comma, fill equal to y. Then we're going to create an object called myList. We're going to set it equal to capital list box, and in parentheses, we're going to put the master, so root, comma, and y scroll command, one word, equal to scroll bar undercase dot set. And then I'm going to create a for loop to print out 100 values. For line in range 100. So this will print out 100 times. MyList dot insert, parentheses, in all caps, n, comma, parentheses, or quotes. This is line number plus, and we're going to concatenate this with string, parentheses, line. And then we're going to say mylist.pack, in parentheses, side equal to all caps left, comma, fill, all caps both. And we're going to say object scroll bar dot config, parentheses, command equal to mylist dot yv. That should be it. Alright, so less errors, control F5. Alright, we got an error. So scroll bar dot pack side equals y is not fill capital Y. That's fill is equal to capital Y. 5. And so here we printed out this is a line number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 100. This is just to show how we can get the scroll bar to move down with us. See in the left, these are all the number values, and to the right, we have the actual scroll bar. So we had the right equal to the scroll bar, which axis Y, and we had a list box from one of the objects we did, remember? Yeah, list box refers to, you can put values into it and just play around with it. So after scroll bar, move on to test. Up, them, and test. So a test is to edit a multi-line text and format the way it is to be. So how does this look? We're going to create an object called capital T, set it equal to text with a capital T, parentheses, master or root, comma, height equal to 2, comma, width to 30. Capital T dot pack, and then T dot insert, comma, or in all caps, end, parentheses, hello, space there. Oh, wait. Hello there. General. Alright, so run this. So here we just put a text box that says hello there, General Kenobi, and in it we can manipulate our data. Say hello. I think that's how you spell it, but basically we can put text into the text box and we can manipulate it as well. So that's test. Or sorry, I think that was actually text box. Okay. So that was that. On. Alright, so now we have a top level. So top level is a widget that is directly controlled by the window manager. It doesn't need any parent window to work on. So basically it's just another window. So we're going to say root.title, parentheses, extra window. We're going to create an object called top and set it equal to capital top level. And then we're going to say top.title, set it equal to Python. And then just say top.5 to run this. So we have the extra little window. Okay, and that was a top level. This stuff. Alright, and now we move on to a spin box. So a spin box is an entry widget, and a value can be input by selecting a fixed value of numbers. So it's pretty straightforward. Just create an object called W, set it equal to capital spin box, and in it we put the master root, comma, from underscore equal to and 0, and then comma 2 underscore equal to and 10. And then we're going to say, oh yeah, we get rid of top. And we're going to say dot pack, and then that is 5. So in here, you can both edit the object and switch values up to 10. Just go up or down in value. That was a spin box. So, we have our last one. And it is the panned window. So panned window is a container widget that is used to handle a number of panes arranged in it. I'll show you what that is. So we create an object called M1, set it equal to capital panned window, parentheses. And we're going to say M1.pack, fill both, comma, and expand. We're going to say create an object called left and set it equal to capital entry. And in parentheses, we're going to say M1, comma, BD equals 5. We're going to say M1.add and M2. M1.add left. And then we create an object called M2, and we're going to set it equal to panned window, parentheses, m1 comma orient equal to, in all caps, vertical. We're going to say m1.add m2. We're going to create an object called top and set it equal to scale in caps. Sorry, just capital S. And then m2 comma orient equal to horizontal in all caps. Orient equals horizontal, and then just finally m2 dot add parentheses top. Yes. So this just can move from left to right to some values, and here we have our text there. So that was a panned window, a widget that allows you to, I don't really know what that is, kind of this weird thing that has a scroll bar. I can add text in here. I don't know. That's for you to figure out what to do with. And that was all I had for Tinker. Thank you.